friends like a fishing on my seat. Smiling the pit, smiling faces will have you catching cases. I ain't out the freeway off high speed chases. I gotta be true to this game of rap. It's either that's a weed speed, heroin or crack. It's like that. Murder paperwork and A&R, fancy cars. Damn superstar, don't forget who you are. I still represent those buried in the soil. Uncle Sam is status, getting tweak off the foil. Ashes to ashes and back to dust. And before I go, ooh, believe I'm a bust. Ashes to ashes and back to dust. And before I go, ooh, believe I'm a bust. Who will let us settle to the quack? It's the M.A.D.O. and ego and sight. Who will let us settle to the quack? It's the M.A.D.O. and ego and sight. I must confess, my life is a mess. And if there's a God up in heaven, does he hate me cause I don't feel blessed? I clear my head from San Diego to New York. Call all your soldiers cause they street me home court. Welcome to the blood sport, they killing with the rap. Now how would you react when leaving states across the map? Cause the road that I'm on is too bumpy. And every time I see a hooter I can jump. So I keep my shit on hit and make sure they play it loud. Before I'm left laying on my back, staring at the clouds. Or face the dirt on my way to be my maker. Cause I don't trust the beggars when I'm trying to make my paper. Ashes to ashes and back to dust. And before I go, ooh, believe I'm a bust. Ashes to ashes and back to dust. And before I go, ooh, believe I'm a bust. Who will rather settle to the quack? It's the M.A.D.O. and ego recycle. Who will rather settle to the quack? It's the M.A.D.O. and ego recycle. Who will rather settle to the quack? It's the M.A.D.O. and ego recycle.
Round one. I got a million. Real. Put your money in me. Bring me back to my old one. That means how cool. Niggas want my old used to rolling on the corner, looking like a I'm not a Jonas, brother, I'm a grown-up. I use my own move. He skip a fail, look back, gotta keep even when we say him. I got a million ways. Hey, bring it back, bring it back. Double your money and make it stack. I'm somebody bring me back the money, please. Let it go back to me, cause we on to the next one. Fuck that on the two, cause we on. Niggas don't get that, cause it's all about progression. Going to should be arrested. Them fuckers racing, so I switch cold bottles on to the you gon' have another drink, but you just gon' babysit. On to the next one, somebody call a waitress. Round one, fight. Are you ready for a battle? 然だよな。
Are you ready for a battle? Fight.
せーの。せーの。せーの。当然